I guess here 5 plus 20 is 25 divided by 5 times 2 power 3 minus 6 in bracket. Here 25 divided by 5 is 5 times 2 power 3 minus 6 in bracket. Here 5 times this 2 power 3 is 8 minus 6 in bracket. Here 5 times 8 minus 6 is 2. Here 5 times 2 is 10 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, 10 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation. So 5 plus 20 divided by 5 times, here we have two operations, one is exponent, other one is subtraction. Here exponent is higher priority than this subtraction, so we have to do this exponent before this subtraction. Here 2 power 3 is 8 minus 6 in bracket. So 5 plus 20 divided by 5 times 8 minus 6 is 2. Here we have addition, division and multiplication. The next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition. Here multiplication divisions are both are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 20 divided by 5. So we have to do this 20 divided by 5 before this multiplication and addition. So 5 plus 20 divided by 5 is 4 times 2. Here we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. So 5 plus 4 times 2 is 8. Here 5 plus 8 is 13 is the correct answer.